In this video, we're going to be downgrading Windows XP to Windows Vista. Now, I have my computer with Windows Vista installed. I've upgraded to Windows Vista from Windows XP. Now, I have my, let's check if when you're running Windows Vista, we're going to type in WinVer. It's in Windows Vista Ultima. And it's in the Service Pack 2 Ultima. Now, this one is installed Longhorn on this computer because I've installed the Windows XP installation files, but when it first installed Longhorn, now I created my own Windows XP bootable USB. Now, let's plug it into my computer. And then, no, not the Longhorn one, let me just unplug that. Because Longhorn doesn't have drivers for it. But I want to create a Windows Vista Home. Also, with a man too. Now, I've now created, this is my XP installation. Now I'm going to have first. This is the file. We're going to copy it.